Hello and welcome to the presentation of my independent project codenamed Cake. This is an order management system mobile application which specializes in helping independent bakers keep track of their work. I'll now start walking through the main features as quickly as I can. So first is authentication. You make an account, get to customize some settings, and it is under this account that your shop will be created, and through your shop your orders will get managed. Once you're in, since we're a first-time user, we get this alert telling us our stats are not configured yet due to this being our first month in the application. If we go into our stats tab, you can see that there is indeed nothing, but here is where you get information about past months, where you would see your total income and a score that we assign based on how this specific month went with respect to your average performance. Going back to the main screen, you have your orders page and your calendar page. If we go into them, you'll see they're just empty for now as we don't have any orders. So we'll go ahead and add an order. We add details about its delivery, who it's from, contact info, and more. And lastly, the type of order it is. If we select a cake, for example, it would let us add these specific options that only correspond to cakes, but you can also do it for other types of bakery stuff. So the same would happen for cookies and cupcakes. But more interesting though is this other option where you can create your own custom details. So in this case, I'll complete this order and we'll see it pop up in both our orders screen and our calendar. I will now log into an account with some preset orders, and here you can see some extra functionality. So you can see how your order screen is organized by due date, letting you know what to prioritize. And furthermore, if you picture you have like a big order consisting of many objects, that they're all for the same person, as these three that you can see at the bottom of our list. How would you register this? Well, you'd create one independent order for each object. And if I click on their selector, I can do two merges. So first, I'll merge two of the components, and then with the result of that merge, I'll merge those merge orders and the last one that I have yet to merge. If I now go into that order and its details, you can see I have this view attached order, which takes me to the merge order details. And if I go into printing the receipt, you get a nice summary of everything, which you can send to your customers as a PDF. If we now go to the calendar, you can see how the busyness of each day is encoded in color, and if you click on that day, you can access the orders at the bottom, which is really nice for when you want to get a feel for how busy you're going to be on specific weeks. And that's basically it for this project. If you visit the repo, you can see how the project is made up of a Spring Boot backend connected to a PSQL database hosted through Railway, and the front end is made in React Native and hosted through Expo. Thank you for watching, and if you want to access codenamed Cake, the link to the GitHub repo is below, and there you can get step-by-step instructions to get your own account up and running as this project is fully deployed. Additionally, in that README, I explain everything from the user stories up to the tech stack I used and the architecture for the backend, so if that sounds interesting, check it out too. Thank you.